You already visited the Anti-Bubble Mania page, but you haven't registered. Why? AI stocks now make up about 45% of the entire S&P 500, the most concentrated market since 1999. Now strip out those AI names, and the market has just returned about 16% for the last 2 years, while the AI group alone grows 142%. The last time this concentration happened was in 1999. That's when the Nasdaq lost 78% of its value over the next 30 months. But the boring companies returned 11.2% a year. That is the anti-bubble or anti-bubble, and it's as large today as it was in 1999. The investors who made the most returns in moments like this are the ones who went against the narrative of the market and invested in highly profitable anti-bubble stocks. I've shown you the data, I've shown you the history. The anti-bubble is the biggest opportunity today, and I'm giving you my complete playbook live for free. All you gotta do is show up. Click the button around the video, register now, and I'll see you there.